What is going on, guys? My name is Eli. In today's video we're going to be showing two poetic cases. We have the Poetic Guardian and the Poetic Revolution case. We have the black one and we have the blue one. Both of them right here are black. They sent me a black and blue one for the Guardian, and then they sent me a Revolution as well. So we're going to check both of them out. I like both cases. I like the Guardian, but the Revolution has a kickstand, which is really good as well. So if you guys want that, it comes with a built-in screen protector as well. It comes with a built-in screen protector. Personally, I use tempered glass and I just removed the screen protectors, but that's all up to you, how you want to use it. But yeah, we have that. Then we also have the Poetic Guardian case, and there's a little instruction guide on how to open the case. So you just, there's a little indent right there. You can just put your nail right there and then just open it, and you're able to put your phone in there. I am recording with the Google Pixel 3a right now, but I will have a future video showing off the cases. But I really like both of these a lot. This one is a little bit more less chunky than the Revolution case. It's more round. Both of them have a good amount of grip. They have camera protection as well as screen protection. It's really good. I like the Guardian one because it shows off the color of the case. The blue one, the blue and black one that I have on right now, has a blue rim around here, and then it has a blue symbol right here. I'll leave links in the description for both of these. Thanks for Poetic for sending these cases out. I also have a video review of the Revolution case for the iPhone 11. So I really love Poetic products. They're really good products, high quality. You can compare these, both of them, and you can see that they're very similar. Very nice cases. Very nice cases here. This one has a screen protector on it. So if you guys want, I will be doing a giveaway of any of these cases. I have tons of cases still that I don't need, especially for the iPhone 11s. I'm still willing to give them away for the iPhone 11s. I might keep the Google Pixel 3a ones because mainly that's my phone, and everything else that I get sent though for the iPhone 11s or any other iPhone, I'll definitely be glad to give them away. But this was a nice little short video for the Google Pixel 3a Guardian and the Revolution case. I really like both of them a lot. They have really good drop rating from about 10 feet on both of them. I really like both of them. Really good. It's a two-piece for this one as well. This one's a little bit harder to get out. This one's a lot easier to get out. So yeah, this one's more protection as well too. I really like the kickstand, so if I'm gonna play Call of Duty or something, I don't know, with the controller, because you can use a Xbox One controller or a PlayStation controller on this device, you can go ahead and play or watch Netflix, do whatever you want to do. This one, you can't do that. You could probably put a pop socket on it, but I don't really like pop sockets. This one doesn't really get in the way. It's nice and flush. Doesn't really rattle, which is really nice, and I like that a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. This is recording with the Poetic Guardian case. As you can see, I'm using it right now. I'm going to go ahead and do a drop test real quick, show you how durable this case is. 3, 2, 1. It's in perfect condition. I don't really know how I'm supposed to be able to show you, but it's in perfect condition. As you see, the camera still works, everything works, still recording. That's a good sign. I'm able to end the video and continue on my processes.